3 vital steps, the right way to set up your business credit profile for ultimate results. Business credit is credit linked to your EIN, not your social security number. You can build a credit profile for a business completely separate from the business owner's personal credit profile, doubling borrowing ability. Credit limits and capacity on these accounts are much higher than with consumer credit. Plus, you can build business credit very fast. An initial profile only takes 30 to 90 days to get started. Step 2. Read and understand your business credit reports. Business credit reports are very different than consumer reports. The main score in the business world, Paydex, is just based on payment history. This is very different from consumer scores. Get a copy of your business credit reports to see what is being reported now. Dispute any derogatory, inaccurate information. Let's look at your Dun & Bradstreet DUNS number. Getting a DUNS number begins the process of building your business credit profile with them. Your DUNS number plays an important role in enabling your business to borrow without a personal guarantor, and it's free. Go to dnb.com, but don't let them upsell you. Visit smartbusinessreports.com for a copy of your Experian report. Find out how many trade lines are reporting. See if you have a business credit score yet. See if you have an active Experian business profile. And check on recent inquiries. You can buy a copy of your Equifax Small Business Credit Report at equifax.com/small-business/credit-report/en_SB. It often takes more time to create a file with Equifax Small Business than D&B and Experian. This is why it's important to apply with the credit providers who report to Equifax. Let's look at business credit reports. Details on payments that business has made for each account include payment record, upper credit limit, how much is currently owed or past due, what the account terms are, and when the account was reported and last updated. Extra information includes detailed financial information like current assets, liabilities, working capital, net worth, and sales. Reports list payments details for each account with commentary on payment patterns. Let's recap. Set up your business properly for fundability. This includes licenses, phone numbers, and more. Get your reports and dig into them. Dispute any errors. Get started with vendor credit. Monitor your business credit. We help you monitor for less. Contact us today to learn more about 3 vital steps, the right way to set up your business credit profile for ultimate results.